Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Kimchi cheese Harumaki. Harumaki Spring Rolls are my favorite. The filling can be anything and the variation can be hundreds. You can put whatever you like in the wrapper, deep fry, and you get very good looking main. Today I'm using pork, kimchi, and cheese as a filling, but please arrange as you like. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this harumaki, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 10 harumaki wrappers, 400 grams of thinly sliced pork, any part you like, but it's thinly sliced, 200 grams of kimchi, 100 grams of shredded mozzarella, 1 tablespoon each of soy sauce and mirin, half a tablespoon of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. I'm making the filling first, so let's cut the kimchi and the pork into little pieces. Heat up about a tablespoon of vegetable oil in the frying pan and stir fry these. Once the pork is well cooked, add the seasonings: soy sauce, mirin, and sugar. And keep cooking for a minute. Turn the heat off and pork and kimchi filling is ready. Now, I'm going to wrap the filling and the cheese with a wrapper, and I need a glue to seal, so let's make it. So here I have 2 tablespoons of flour. Add a tablespoon of water, cold water. Mix well. And the glue is ready. Harumaki wrapper, it's sticking together and it's like one thick wrapper, so let's separate them. Place the wrapper diagonally, not like this, like this. Some pork and kimchi filling here. Some cheese on top. Fold this corner up. And fold these corners in. Wrap it. Put some glue here. And close. Let me show you one more time. Wrapper diagonally. The filling. And cheese. Fold the corner up and fold these corners in. Wrap it. Put some glue and seal. Ten harumaki all wrapped. So it's time to fry. Heat up some vegetable oil in the frying pan. It's about half an inch from the bottom of the frying pan, and the heat is medium. Gently place harumaki with the clothing facing down. And fry them for 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Once it's nicely browned on both sides, take them out and drain. Okay, all fried and it's done. Let's cut and see how it looks inside. Itadakimasu. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Harumaki is the main, so it goes here. Plain rice here, and enoki miso soup or any soup you like here. How about kebetsu no goma mayo salada for one of the side dishes, and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other one. I hope you enjoyed the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!